This is falling in line exactly with what we said we were going to do, with what our growth strategy is, and creates a real opportunity for our shareholders and potential future shareholders who are interested in investing in Abacus.
All right, welcome back inside our proactive newsroom. And joining me now is Jay Jackson. He is the CEO of Abacus Global Management. And Jay, it's good to see you again. How are you?
Great. Thank you. Good to be seen.
Yeah, well, good news out from the company today, talking about an acquisition of a company called AccuQuote. So tell me a little bit about who AccuQuote is and why you thought it was a good idea to bring them under the fold.
Sure. AccuQuote's been around for almost 40 years. A great American company that's been doing insurance brokerage and really been helping clients better understand their life insurance needs, which is a little bit different from our business, right? Where we've been helping people understand the asset value or the underlying value of that life insurance contract later, towards the end of that contract. They've been selling new types of life insurance policies to consumers, north of hundreds of thousands of consumers, to the tune of billions of dollars of new life insurance to them over the last 40 years. It's a great name, a well-known name, and really falls in line with our growth strategy to ensure we capture the entire life cycle of our client. Some of our clients don't qualify to sell their policies. What options are we providing them? Now we can provide them a solution in replacing their current policy with potentially something that AccuQuote can quote and provide.
Jay, is that the way insurance is going to take literally from beginning to end and have different types of options for your clients and for your customers from, as I
Right.
mentioned, from the beginning to the end? Is that the key?
It is. This is about financial planning. This is about people understanding all of their lifespan and their lifespan-based financial products. Insurance is one of those. And this is a great start for us as we start to talk about personal wealth management in relationship to someone's lifespan, because it is the beginning and the end. And having that data and information and accessibility to products is really what this is all about. We think that there is a huge market for people to better understand that their life insurance policy is an asset, it's personal property, and they shouldn't just let it go. But if they are not in the right coverage, what are their solutions? What if they still need coverage? Here's what AccuQuote can help provide them to keep them insured and keep them coverage for some other later decision.
Does the AccuQuote fit seamlessly into what you're doing now? Do they operate as a separate business, or how will you sort of merge the two together?
Sure. The synergies are boundless, first of all. And the intent is to keep AccuQuote as a very successful operating company as it has always been. So it will retain its name, it will retain its employees, and it's retaining all the things that have built AccuQuote to where it is. We just want to help grow it further. This is a great growth strategy that we're going to invest in. We've seen other companies now potentially listing to go public for billion-dollar plus valuations. When AccuQuote offers those same types of services, technology-driven instant quote platform that people can get insurance and protection on the front end, and then we can also help them manage the back end.
Yeah. And Jay, lastly, last time you and I talked, we talked about growth, and you had mentioned that there's a lot of ways to grow, and this is one of those ways. Are
Yeah.
there other things that you look at as throughout the year and take it as the days come by?
Well, as we mentioned in our investor day, this falls in line. Our investor day back in June, we talked about how we felt like the next natural transition was certainly in asset management, and then as well as into personal wealth management. And this is one of those steps into that. So this is falling in line exactly with what we said we were going to do, with what our growth strategy is, and creates a real opportunity for our shareholders and potential future shareholders who are interested in investing in Abacus.
Jay, thank you so much. Really good to get an update on this AccuQuote acquisition, and we look forward to our next conversation together. Okay.
Awesome. Thank you.
All right, Jay Jackson, the CEO of Abacus Global Management.